Welcome back, YouTube. So we're changing out RV lighting in the bedroom from these rusty crusty things to these new USB friendly things. So let's start with the light fixtures. These are 12 volts. So I had to go on Amazon and find other 12 volts, and I wanted to get LED lighting. Of course, we want to go with the same wiring as before. So I had to determine which one is the neutral, which one's the positive. On the new lamp, it's red as the positive, black as the neutral. Going by the wiring diagram, of course, is here. Very simple installation. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, your pliers to strip out the wire. Unfortunately, these fixtures are going to be constantly hot unless you're going to find the fuse in your fuse box in the RV and take them out. So make sure that your pliers are well insulated before you go cutting them, and that you're not grounding to any other metals. See here, both of the fixtures, the sconces, the wiring is pretty basic. Tying them together and then using the little screw covers, caps. It has a USB feature, and it also dims. So you see I got one done, and then I had another one to do, and then it occurred to me that guess what I'm also doing? I am changing the wallpaper in the background because it's so old and funky, and it's such an easy changeover. Another Amazon fix. I ordered it there and put up that piece, took down the light then, and decided I wanted to also take advantage of the little USBs that I had bought, another upgrade. So this way we'll be able to do all of our charging in bed, that is with the phones and the tablets in one place. So the way I did it was I used a wire that was coming down to attach to and feed up not too far on these walls. The RV walls are hollow and shallow, so that makes it pretty simple, but there is insulation there. So I fed from down up, which helps myself. You may want to use a chain or another piece of rope to do that, but tying onto those wires, of course, before energizing the wires, to pull them up into the power source above. You know, if that was self-explanatory. If not, take it back a little bit and you'll see how I did it. These USBs, there's two sockets there and one on the light fixture itself, can be bought all on Amazon. And I will try to put the links above, but they cut off my affiliates. I'm not as inspired to do that for Amazon, sending them business when they cut off my affiliates. Yeah, not very nice. So, anyway, very simple installation. Once it was done, you could see that the USB below with the two USB jacks lit up blue, so that's how we knew that it was working. These light fixtures, absolutely love. Once again, you can see how they're tied in. The red is the positive, black is the neutral. And then, yeah, once they were in, I was able to dim them nicely. See one on each side and then the USB below it. And this is the final product. Each side we have enough of our charging devices, even a little fan. Enjoy, you guys. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can know when I put out new content. And thank you for your support.